Hi, I'm Gracie Westerfield, a 3L at Albany Law, and these are the 10 essential things that I need to survive every day. I really need an emotional support water bottle. She's my girly pop. She's been through thick and thin. She's seen it all. These are not prescribed, but these are my blue light glasses. I spend a lot of time looking at screens, and I also suffer from a TikTok addiction. This is like the holy grail of law school for citations. If you know, you know. I need my BlueBook. I think at this point, my middle name could be BARBRI, Gracie BARBRI Westerfield. Has a nice ring to it. Gotta have, pens, pencils, highlighters, but the most underrated thing is the Expo Markers. I mean, you never know when you're gonna need to, mark up a whiteboard, I have 99 problems, but dry lips aren't one. I gotta have my chopstick. I think we can all agree as a law student, we really need a sweet treat in our lives. But why limit yourself to one? These are my AirPods. Everybody say hi to Brady. Hi, Brady. Put in the comments what you think I'm probably listening to. It's probably Ariana Grande or Taylor Swift. Everyone says face card this, face card that, and it works most of the time, but at Albany Law School, you gotta have your ID. And that's it. Those are my 10 essentials. Have a good day.